Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing issues with notifications not working on your iPhone after iOS 17, then we are here with some general troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then inside Settings app, tap on the notification option. Then tap on the app's name to access its notification settings. Then make sure that the allow notification toggle switch is turned on. If it is off, notifications for this app will not appear on your iPhone's lock screen, notification center or banners. You will have to toggle it on. So after checking all the apps, simply go back to the home screen. Then simply drag down the slider from the upper left corner. Then there you will get to see the focus option. If the do not disturb mode is turned on, then simply turn it off. So it is a feature that allows you to silence calls, alerts and notifications temporarily, providing you with a distraction-free experience. So make sure it is disabled for your notifications to pop up on your home screen. After this, go to the settings app again. Then inside the settings app, go to the general. Then scroll down and tap on shutdown option available there. Then simply shut down your iPhone for almost 30 to 35 seconds and turn it back on. Now enter your passcode to get in. Then simply tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. So that is it. By following these steps, you will be able to troubleshoot your notifications problem in your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.